Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. Just like how we have known, this has been on a very strong uptrend for a very long time. But it got to this resistance zone earlier today. It has not been able to break out from there, switch into a downtrend and broke out from here. And of course, we dropped this signal in the Telegram channel and it achieved the first two TPs. Okay, so even though I knew it will have an issue at this point, but once it breaks out from there, then it will achieve the rest of the TP. It is having a pullback at the moment. Okay, it is having a pullback at the moment. We don't know how far the pullback will take it, but if it breaks out from here, then definitely it might be getting to this region. But if it does not, then it will come back down and try to break out from this support region. Buying at the moment, even though we don't expect it to buy for long, okay, because it's just a pullback for now. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, let's check it out together. Still on 15-minute time frame. This is GainX 999, and this has been on uptrend for a very long time, just the way we are saying it. So it is still buying right now. It is still buying because it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PNX 1200. So let's check it out together. PNX 1200. Let's check it out together. So this is PNX 1200, also on 15-minute time frame. Okay, this also gave us a lot of profit today. So guys, it gave us a lot of profit just the way you are saying it. And just the way we are saying it, it triggered the entry point at this point and gave us some TP right from here. So just the way we are saying this, okay, we achieved all the TPs, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is still buying because it broke out above the resistance zone. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's check out PNX 999. Okay, guys, this is PNX 999. PNX 999 had actually been on downtrend for a while, okay, but it got to this support zone, and if you should notice, it also got there around here and went back on uptrend. So right now it has gotten there again. This will be the second time it will be attempting it right now. So I'm just going to check out this trend line. Okay, so we are expecting it to achieve this height, okay, this particular height anyway. But for now, we have some highlighted TPs for us. TP1 achieved already, so it is heading towards TP2, 3, and 4. So let's see how far this can go for us. Okay, so I tried as much as possible to make sure it achieved the first three TPs within this first region. Okay, so and that is a very good one for us. Okay, and right here is our stop loss also, and this should be the entry point, and it has been triggered already. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Just the first TP has been achieved, so it is still a good trade for you guys to go into. Now let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend for a while. Okay, just where we are saying this, got to this resistance zone, had a major pullback. Okay, and of course this is actually trying to go back on uptrend again, but that is going to happen if it does not break out from here. Okay, if it does not break out from here, then it's going to go back on uptrend. But once it breaks out from here, then it should be getting to this region, and if it breaks out from here, it should get down to this particular spot. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from here fully, and it's going to give us a buy signal. So let's keep that at the back of our mind. Okay, because right now it is having a pullback for a downtrend at the moment, except if it's unable to break out from the support trend line, that is when it's going to go back fully on a buy signal. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.